Alright, what's going on, everybody? We're back. Only Scrambler XPS project here. So, got HMF exhaust, full exhaust. Got it all wrapped. This I try wrapping in between the springs. I'll show you guys later. But let's get to it, start installing it. Alright, first step, line up the front. Bolt it in, all 4 bolts. Leave it loose so you can make adjustments as you go. Alright, gonna have this donut gasket. It's gonna go right here. Once I can, just starting to move my hand here. And then that part, gonna go through there. We're gonna fish it in through the back, and it's got springs that hold it. Alright, so that literally sits just like that. And then a little bracket right there, spring goes there and to the front, and then we have one that goes from here to right there. Alright, after we slide the second pipe through the back right here, just slides in, and we're not going to tighten this now because that is definitely not lined up, so we need to line it all up. Alright, so the HMF does come with this big bracket, bolts on top here, okay, and then you just slide these bolts through, and see how this one's sitting nice and level now. We'll do this one next. This hardware comes with the HMF mufflers, and they're 13mm on both sides. Alright, there we go. Everything's still loose, but looks pretty centered, pretty lined up. Looking good. Start tightening everything up. Alright, got the back nice and tight. Let this adjust to the light. Looking good. Looking good. Got the springs on here. And I'm going to tighten that up, and then I'm going to tighten that clamp down there last. Everything's a 13 except that one is a 10. Alright, there we have it. 13 mils there. I messed up, told you guys that was a 10, but it's actually an 11.
Yeah, you messed up.
Springs all in, everything lined up. This bolt back here, guys and gals, you're going to have a hard time with. I found it's easier to take a wrench, go from behind, curve side in, and it hits right here a little bit. But be patient, you'll get it. Exhaust is looking good though, everything's looking lined up. Nice and tight. HMF exhaust, bumpers, receiver, the whole 9 yards. Got it straight from their website. Unfortunately, we can't fire it up yet because it's still work in progress. So, guys, like, subscribe, follow us for more. Help this goofball out that's trying to run away. He's trying not to do stuff.
No.
Cold start. Let's go.